Hola amigos. Welcome back to Spanish Made Simple. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Emilia. We're so happy you're here with us again, ready to keep learning Spanish the easy way.
In today's episode, we're diving into something everyone experiences, feelings. How to express how you feel, ask others how they're doing, and respond naturally, just like real Spanish speakers do.
Exactly. This topic is special because emotions are part of every conversation, at work, with friends, or even when you're just saying hello. So by the end of this episode, you'll not only know the words, you'll sound natural saying them.
Let's begin with the most common question in Spanish. ¿Cómo estás? How are you?
And the simplest response is, Estoy bien. I'm fine. Easy, right? But let's add some variety. You can say, Estoy muy bien. I'm very good. Or, Estoy un poco cansado. I'm a little tired.
Nice. So listen and repeat after us. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy bien. Estoy muy bien. Estoy un poco cansado.
Now, let's add some emotions. If you're happy, estoy feliz. I'm happy. If you're sad, estoy triste. I'm sad. If you're angry, estoy enojado. I'm angry. And if you're nervous, estoy nervioso. I'm nervous.
In Spanish, we often make emotions stronger with the word muy, which means very. For example, estoy muy feliz. I'm very happy. Estoy muy cansado. I'm very tired.
Or, to make it lighter, you can say un poco, meaning a little. Estoy un poco triste. I'm a little sad. Estoy un poco nervioso. I'm a little nervous.
You can even exaggerate, like native speakers often do, using super. Estoy súper emocionado. I'm super excited. And yes, we really do talk like that.
Totally. Latin speakers use tone and expression more than words sometimes. You'll hear someone say, Estoy feliz, with energy, even if their words are simple.
Let's practice together. Imagine we're meeting for coffee. Listen to the dialogue, then we'll break it down. Hola, Emilia. ¿Cómo estás?
Estoy muy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?
Estoy cansado, pero contento.
Ah, trabajaste mucho hoy, ¿verdad?
Sí, pero estar aquí contigo me relaja.
Qué lindo, gracias.
Now let's translate that together. Hola, Emilia. ¿Cómo estás? Hi, Emilia. How are you? Estoy muy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? I'm very well, thank you. And you? Estoy cansado, pero contento. I'm tired but happy. Ah, trabajaste mucho hoy, ¿verdad? You worked a lot today, right? Sí, pero estar aquí contigo me relaja. Yes, but being here with you relaxes me. Qué lindo. That's sweet.
This is how real conversations sound. Simple, natural, and full of emotion. Let's learn some new emotions. Repeat after me. Emocionado. Excited. Tranquilo. Calm. Preocupado. Worried. Orgulloso. Proud. Decepcionado. Disappointed. Agradecido. Grateful.
Great words. Let's use them in sentences. Estoy tranquilo. I'm calm. Estoy agradecido por mi familia. I'm grateful for my family. Estoy orgulloso de ti. I'm proud of you.
If you're female, remember to change the ending from O to A. So you would say, Estoy tranquila. Estoy orgullosa. Estoy agradecida. Something beautiful about Spanish-speaking cultures is how open people are about emotions. We don't hide how we feel. We show it, we say it, we live it.
Right. In English, people often say, I'm fine, even if they're not. But in Latin America, if you ask someone, ¿Cómo estás?, you might get a real answer, like, Estoy un poco estresado, pero todo bien. I'm a bit stressed, but everything's okay.
Or even, Estoy feliz porque hoy vi a mi familia. I'm happy because I saw my family today. There's emotion, story, and warmth in the answer.
That's what makes speaking Spanish so powerful. It's not just communication, it's connection.
Let's do another short conversation. This one's about everyday emotions.
Emilia, ¿cómo te sientes hoy?
Me siento relajado. Dormí muy bien anoche. ¿Y tú?
Estoy un poco cansada, pero contenta. Hoy fue un buen día.
Qué bueno. Me alegra escucharlo.
Let's translate it together. How are you feeling today? I feel relaxed. I slept very well last night. I'm a little tired, but happy. It was a good day. That's great. I'm glad to hear it.
Notice the phrase me siento. It means I feel. It's very useful for describing emotions and physical states.
Exactly. Me siento cansado. I feel tired. Me siento feliz. I feel happy. Me siento tranquilo. I feel calm. Now it's your turn. We'll say the phrase in English, and you try saying it in Spanish before Emilia gives the answer.
Ready?
I'm happy.
Estoy feliz.
I'm tired.
Estoy cansado.
I'm worried.
Estoy preocupado.
Nice. You're doing great.
Here's a cultural tip. When someone asks, ¿Cómo estás? You don't always have to say bien. You can show emotion, even if it's small, like Estoy bien, pero un poco cansado. That makes your Spanish sound more human and natural.
And remember, tone matters. Spanish is full of melody. When you say estoy feliz, smile. When you say estoy cansado, slow down your tone. Emotion brings language to life. Let's quickly review what we learned today. We covered basic feelings like feliz, triste, cansado, enojado. We learned how to make them stronger or softer with muy and un poco. Then, we practiced real conversations and how to respond naturally.
And you learned that emotions in Spanish are more than words. They're part of connection and culture.
If you enjoyed this short but powerful lesson, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, because every week we post new Spanish conversations designed to help you speak naturally.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't forget, every word you learn brings you closer to fluency.
Gracias, amigos. Thank you for learning with us.
Nos vemos en la próxima lección. See you in the next episode of Spanish Made Simple.